Hey guys, welcome back to Windows Fixer. Today we're checking out how to properly set up two-factor authentication on Discord and how to make sure you don't lose your account. So first of all, we're inside Discord profile settings where we can set up 2FA security. I'm showing you step by step, so even if you're completely new, you won't get lost. First, click on Enable Authenticator app. Now it says download an Authenticator app on your phone. The two most popular ones are Authy and Google Authenticator. Now, honestly, in my case, Authy was kind of useless. Not because I didn't want to try it, but because it requires creating an account with your mobile number. And unfortunately, it doesn't support my country numbers, so that was a complete fail. On the other hand, I really disliked Google Authenticator in the past because it didn't have cloud sync, which meant if you lost your phone or reset the app, you lost access to Discord forever. And here's something important to note. If you lose your Authenticator app or reset it, that means you lose your Discord access, no matter if you still have the email or not. Discord doesn't help you recover in that case. But thankfully, things are different now. Google Authenticator finally supports cloud syncing. That means you can link it with your email and your two-factor codes are saved. So whenever you switch devices or need your code somewhere else when your main phone isn't around, you can still log in safely. Anyway, let's go ahead and scan the 2FA QR code with my phone. Once you scan it, the authenticator will generate a 6-digit code. Type that in and confirm with your Discord password. And that's it, your 2FA is activated. At this point, make sure you download your backup codes. These are super important. If for any reason you don't have access to your Authenticator app, you can use these codes to log in without 2FA. Just save them somewhere safe. The next step is adding your mobile number. This also helps if you ever need to recover your account. Just choose your country code, type your number, and click send. You'll get a code on your phone, enter it here, then Discord will ask you for your password one more time, confirm it, and you're good. Now there's one little problem I noticed when I logged into the authenticator on the emulator here. It didn't allow me to use the cloud sync feature. Maybe it's because I don't have a webcam to scan the QR code, not sure, but when I used my phone, it worked perfectly. On mobile, it's simple. Tap your profile image inside the authenticator, and you can switch between emails or add a new account. Once you log in, your codes will appear. These codes refresh every 20 to 30 seconds, which makes the security even stronger. If you share the code, it will only work until it changes. So even if someone tries to use it, they'll have just a few seconds before it resets again. Now let me share something personal. I used Authenticator a long time ago on my old Discord account. At that time, I deleted the app thinking it wasn't a big deal, but later I completely lost access to that account. And funny thing is, while recording this tutorial today, after logging into the new Cloud Sync feature, I actually saw a Discord code pop up from that old account. But sadly, I had already deleted that account, so it's gone. But maybe for you, your codes are still available. So do check, you might get lucky. And that's pretty much it, guys. Your security really matters, but don't overcomplicate it unless you actually need it. Use these features when you're sure about what you're doing. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.